The Indian Air Force's Tejas fighter jet crashed during a demonstration at the Dubai Air Show on November 21, 2025, resulting in the tragic death of the pilot. Here's a detailed overview of the incident. The crash occurred around 2:10 p.m. local time at Al Maktoum International Airport in Dubai World Central. The Tejas fighter jet is a 4.5 generation multi-role combat aircraft designed for air defense missions, offensive air support, and close combat operations. The pilot, whose identity has not been disclosed, sustained fatal injuries in the accident. Firefighting and emergency teams responded rapidly to the incident and managed the situation on site. The Indian Air Force ordered a court of inquiry to ascertain the cause of the accident. The UAE government confirmed the incident and stated that emergency teams were managing the situation break. The Tejas is a single-engine, 4.5 generation, delta-wing multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency and produced by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (AL). The Tejas features advanced systems, including an AESA radar, an electronic warfare suite, and a modern radio altimeter. The Tejas is crucial for India's efforts to modernize its Air Force fleet and marks a significant milestone in the country's indigenous defense production capabilities. The crash may have implications for the Tejas program, particularly as India has been aggressively marketing the platform to international buyers. The Indian Air Force and the UAE government have expressed condolences to the family of the deceased pilot. The investigation into the cause of the crash is ongoing. Possible factors include technical issues, environmental conditions, or human error.